Yes, ma'am. How may I help you?
I am having a baby.
Follow me to room 209.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
I was in a plane crash. I need a doctor.
What happened?
I was in a plane, and it crashed, with me in it.
Okay.
Everything hurts.
Follow me. Right here, sir. Just a little sting.
What? Get that thing away from me.
You come.
Okay.
Up.
I'm in a wheelchair.
Please try.
Can you push? Push.
Push. He's mine.
Awesome hit there. So.
Sit on this. He's mine. He's mine. Get away. Get away now. Come on, dude.
My chair.
I'll get you one.
It's okay.
So, you have broken all of your bones.
Shoot.
But in weeks.
Okay.
Button T-E-N. Weeks they are all fixed.
That sounds
Get
epic.
out.
How much will this visit cost me?
None. J.K. S-E-V-E-N.
$7. Sweet.
He'll get you a chair.
I fell up.
Bye. You can go.
Okay, thank you. Crouch.
Habla español.
No.
¡Golazo!